Hello, friends! Today we are going to see some amazing science magic. Look at this clear water. Nothing special, right? But watch carefully. I add one drop, and wow, it turns pink. Now another drop, and it turns purple. Can you believe it? Wait. It's not finished yet. With one more drop, look, it changes to green. Then blue, and even yellow. So many colors like a rainbow in a cup. Do you know why this happens? It's because of a science trick called a chemical reaction. Big word, huh? It just means the liquids are mixing and making new colors. And guess what? You can try this at home with an adult. Red cabbage juice is like a magic potion. Add lemon juice and it turns pink. Add baking soda and it turns green. Magic science fun. So remember, science is like real-life magic. It helps us discover cool secrets in our world. So remember, science is like real-life magic. It makes learning fun, colorful, and full of surprises. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Viyu's Little World for more fun science experiments.